Are you ready to make a statement? With your fashion choices in 2024, get ready to embrace bold colors like never before. From vibrant reds to eye-catching yellows, this year's fashion trends are all about making a statement. Say goodbye to neutral tones and hello to bold, head-turning hues. Mix and match different colors to create your own unique style. Don't be afraid to experiment and step out of your comfort zone. After all, fashion is all about expressing yourself. Whether you're dressing up for office wear or outing wear, incorporating bold colors into your wardrobe is sure to turn heads wherever you go. So, are you ready to stand out from the crowd and make a bold fashion statement in 2024? Embrace the trend and let your true colors shine. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and trends.